Hi, this is Dr. John DePalma with Burlington County Foot and Ankle Associates. I just want to take a moment to explain the valet medicine services we are now offering to patients who need to come to our office for an appointment, but who want to keep their outside contact with others to an absolute minimum. When you request a valet appointment, all you have to do is give us a call when you arrive. Stay in your car and we will come out to get you when you're ready for your appointment. One of our staff members will escort you through the side entrance away from our main entrance area and waiting room and straight back into this exam room. That way, we can guarantee that proper social distance will be maintained. Our waiting room is still open and you're free to use it if you wish. We want to let you know that we are taking every necessary step to keep every part of our office clean, safe, and germ-free. However, if you feel more comfortable using the valet service instead, especially if you or someone you live with would be considered high risk for getting infectious diseases like COVID-19, just let us know what you prefer and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you, and please be safe and stay healthy.